Hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Goldgeld Welt. Ich bin hier in München auf der Edelmetallmesse 2018 am Stand von Tudor Gold. Und neben mir steht Jeffrey Rowe, ein Geologe, der Geologe der Company, und wird uns jetzt einige Fragen beantworten für diejenigen von euch, die das Unternehmen noch nicht kennen. Jeffrey, very nice to see you here.
Yes, nice to meet you.
So, could you tell investors who are new to the story about Tudor Gold? Where is it located? What's the strategy? Which development stage are you in?
Okay, Tudor Gold is a new company, been around 3 years. The president is Walter Storm, who's had very good success in Canada with Osisko mining. And he was involved with Osisko for about 10 or 12 years, brought it from a startup company to a $4.5 billion company when it was bought out.
Osisko Gold?
This was called Osisko, yes. And in 2016 he started Tudor Gold with the same sort of objective. He looked at the Golden Triangle because of such high grade gold deposits in the area, and he got strategic properties in the area close to Seabridge Gold and Pretium Resources. Those deposits contain a total of over 80 million ounces of gold.
I have heard it's the biggest undeveloped gold gold property discovery in the world.
That's correct, yes. Yeah, the KSM deposits are huge. There's four separate deposits that make up KSM. They are trending in a northeast direction right onto the Tudor Gold property called Treaty Creek. Treaty Creek has been drilling on their Copper Bell zone since 2016 and has developed a nice area of porphyry copper gold mineralization. It looks very similar to Iron Cap, which is about 5 kilometers away on Seabridge's property. So the strategy is to keep on drilling, expanding that zone. Another major feature of the Treaty Creek property is its location. It's very close to the highway, a paved all-weather highway, and also close to a port at Stewart, British Columbia, which has ocean-going ships.
So you're currently focusing on copper gold porphyry systems like Seabridge, your neighbor?
That's right.
Okay, and you're in an exploration and development stage?
At an exploration stage. Been drilling for 3 years and keep developing and growing this deposit. There are other mineralized areas on the property as well, but right now the focus is on Copper Bell. But as a geologist, I would like to see more exploration on the property, drill some of these other targets, just keep growing.
Okay. Yeah. And what is your strategy right now? Do you want to define a resource, or what's the plan here?
Yes, that's the plan, is to be able to publish a resource. So we're working towards that, and we have 9 drill holes from this year. We're waiting for the last 3, the results from the last 3 holes. Should be within 3 to 4 weeks, and then we'll have the engineers review the results and look at whether they can qualify that as a resource based on about 65 holes that have been drilled on the property. It's not a lot of holes, but because they're thick intercepts, some of them are 300 to 400 meters mineralized, so every single hole adds a lot of tons.
Okay. So for insider ownership, do you have any funds involved? Any strong partners for the project?
I'm not totally involved in the financing. I understand there are 2 small houses that are involved in German investing groups, but the company is looking for a strategic partner. So that is part of the plan for next year, is to have a company step up with some cash to earn an interest in the property or in the company.
Okay. We talked before the interview, and you told me something about a tunnel, a potential tunnel.
Yes.
Could you elaborate on this for investors?
As I said, the location of the Treaty Creek property is good because it's close to the highway. The Seabridge deposits are on the other side of the glaciers, so they're in a valley that's about 20 kilometers from the highway. But to access their deposits, they need to build a tunnel through the mountain to extract the ore out to their proposed mill site.
Yeah.
That tunnel goes right through Treaty Creek's property. So Treaty Creek is important to them because they want to tunnel through. It would also be a major benefit to Tudor Gold if that development goes ahead, because the underground access would then be there, right next to the copper bell zone.
Okay, I know it's forward-looking, but what would this mean for Tudor Gold if they build the tunnel through your property?
Well, as I said, it would be very favorable for them, because it could allow access for underground exploration and possibly eventual underground extraction from the copper bell zone. That's part of the plan with the Treaty Creek, or with the KSM deposits on Seabridge, is that they will open pit the upper part of their deposits and underground mining on the deeper parts of their deposits. So there will be underground access for those ones as well.
Okay. As an investor interested in the gold space and maybe the exploration companies, there are so many around. What makes Tudor Gold special? Because everyone has opportunity costs. Why invest in Tudor Gold?
Well, I would say the stock is very undervalued at 21 cents right now, and the market cap is about 20 million. So it's cheap compared to a company like Seabridge, where their market cap is in the billions, $4.5 billion. So it's a cheap point to get into investing in the company. If we have some good drill results, the stock is bound to go up.
Okay. Thank you very much for the interview. I really appreciate it, Jeff, and until next time.
Thank you.